So we're going to taste this our burgundy okra this morning. Yeah.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacy. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. My new gardening family, welcome aboard. I am so delighted to have you all. I'm so excited. My faithfulers. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you all so much for your unwavering support. I mean, I can feel the love. Yeah. My channel members, big up yourself all the time. Everyone, my watchers, my supporters, my likers, my sharers, my commenters, my viewers, everybody, big up on yourself. All right, big up every time. And may God continue to bless and keep you and your families always. All right, so let's get to it. You've seen me eating the green one, so today I am going to eat the burgundy one, a little greenery that you're seeing on there. So a bloom was on there and it fell off, so that's the okra that is going to actually come out. And it's amazing because it looks green, but it's going to turn burgundy very soon. You can see the streaks of burgundies inside there. Yeah, will be turning burgundy pretty soon. Only a pity I didn't catch the bloom to show you how pretty it was before it fell off. So I am going to get this
Rich in
one right
vitamins A
here
and C, and
and I'm
based
going
on
to eat it
research,
with you.
it has other
But before we get to
antioxidants
that,
that helps
so
to
according
reduce
to
serious
Google,
health conditions
okras
like
are
cancer, stroke, heart disease, diabetes. Yeah, and I saw where it's also rich in magnesium and folate. Of course, I have other okras growing in the garden. I have more burgundy and I have more greens. You can see they are about to produce here for me. So soon I'll have enough okra to share more because I have been sharing, but you know, it's a little one drop. But yeah, more okras to come. Now I still have my faithfuler right here, my Hill Country red okra. When I had no other okras, this baby has been giving me okras so I can, stay on top of my game. Yeah. So it is looking to push forward more. I have a few more right here, more green and more burgundy. This is my faithful law. When I tell you, this okra has been giving. I mean, once you plant okra in your garden, you'll harvest for months. It is a very giving crop, so you don't have to worry about running out of okra. If it's even one plant you have, when it starts to produce, you can look forward to eat from it literally every week or every other week, and I'm not exaggerating.
all right. So let's get this baby. Ooh. Guys, this fried beetle is the actual bloom that was on there. A frighten. It looks so scary. All right. Let's get to tasting. Mirrors, it's right here. So like I've mentioned earlier, I've eaten the green one raw with you already. I've never eaten the burgundy one raw with you, nor otherwise. So the first time I tried the green okra, it was horrible. It was too old, so it was very hard. It tasted bony, and the slime wasn't going down at all.
So this is actually the first time you can see me right here struggling, to do the video, struggling to eat the okra. I mean, look at her face. The problem that I was having right here is that the slime was not going down. This okra was old, yeah, very old. So it was very bony and slimy. I tried to get the slime past my throat. I tried to hold out for the video. I was going to cut out all of this, but girl had to go.
As a lot of you told me, and I realized for myself, I need to get them more tender to eat them raw. This is fairly tender in my opinion. I am going to see now. I know some of you don't want to have this slime, but it is actually good for us. Yeah, as I've mentioned earlier. So let's get to it. Let me wash it off. There's no turning back. You ever be doing something and you commit to it, and then when you get to it, you're like, girl, what you doing? I can't turn back now. I'm not going to fail you all. All right, so uh, all right, ready. All right, let me take this piece off, this part off. Tender bad man. It just came off, so oops. Have you ever eaten raw okra before? Okra water is trending right now. Have you ever had it before? Are you planning to have it? Would you try to have raw okra? Tell me all about it. Anywho, okay, all right. It is actually good. Of course, I can't tell the difference between the burgundy okra and the green okra by taste. Both of them taste the same way. This is pretty tender, so it's quite easy. There's very little slime right now. It's quite easy to have. Actually, very good, and it's easy to digest. So it's actually good. It's actually good. It's not a big deal. Like being tender, it is quite easy to consume, and it tastes good in my opinion. Like it tastes good. It is actually a good snack. If you have never had it before, I'm going to challenge you to get a tender okra, not the old one, like we call them, not the ones that are hard, and taste it and tell me about it. Under any video, you can just comment and tell me, Stacey, I tried it, and so and so, so and so. Yeah. All right. So thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.